A couple of years ago, we sold a property which the roof had collapsed. Turns out when they started to do the renovation work, there was a dead body on the bed underneath the roof, which had sort of like decomposed through the bed.
What's going on, guys? So today is the Q2, so it's Q2 event for the Property Trading Deal Clinic members. We'll be going through a mastermind, so just discussing all the people's problems in their property business, trading, etc., and how to solve them as a group. We've also got James from Wolfe Auctions. He's going to be doing talk about everything in terms of what to look for selling from auction, buying from auction, how you can actually go about finding the stock to try and put into auction. So looking forward to everyone having a really, really good time. Join us and I'll show you what's going on today. So setup is now complete. We are just waiting for everyone to arrive. People are kind of in the waiting area, and then hopefully we'll get started in about 10 minutes time. I think they've gone somewhere outskirts now, to be fair. How are you, sir, in the UK? Good. Yeah, good to meet you. James from Wolfe Auctions, by the way, as well. So everyone's going to be doing a brief intro into their business, what they've been doing, a quick 5-minute update. Then we're going to go into a finance update. Then we've got James from Wolfe doing all about auctions, and then we'll do the mastermind. So yeah, stay tuned for this.
My name is Jesse, that's Sean over there, my business partner. He actually got me into property back in the day when I was just doing my 9 to 5. We do everything from HMOs, single family lets, rental housing, commercial conversions, small blocks of flats.
What does your outfit look like?
It's pretty lean. Office-wise, there's 4 of us.
This year also a bit more open to like JVs.
I'm putting 2 of my properties into the auction so that I can recycle the money and reinvest again.
James is just setting up, so he's just going to be doing a presentation. James works for Wolfe Auctions, which are prolific in the West Midlands, but also now starting to do stuff nationwide as well.
Hi everyone, my name is James Rossiter. I'm senior auction valuer at Wolfe. So yes, there's a risk involved, but if you know in your right mind that you bought it for a good amount or you've got a deal on it, likelihood is when it comes to putting it back on the market with a low price that floods the market with the interest, it's more likely to make you money. Even if this was say like in for 80 grand, it probably would still have the same effect. Obviously at auction, it's all about creating competition at the end of the day. The more competition there is, the more likely it is for somebody to go above and beyond what they want to pay. Most of the stuff like this will never sell at pre-auction.
James, mate, thanks a lot for that. That was brilliant. Right, okay. So that's us just finished up. So James just delivered a masterclass on buying and selling an auction, and now we're going to head up for lunch.
Gone from a 3-bed house to a 4-bed house just by putting a stud wall down. Back to back that to them at 135, 12% net yield, which you just can't find a deal like that these days. With all of the sunshine comes the rain, and there are problems ultimately as a trader that you need to solve, which is why we're doing this mastermind today. And my third thing I'd like to figure out is specifically with I am Sol.
Yeah.
Because I'm seeing there's more opportunity from that than anything else at this moment in time. How do I get it so that, Gersh said that she was able to buy something pre going live and that type of thing. Now some of the leads are coming to me, but the offers aren't being accepted.
I think it comes down to relationships. The best buyers that I've had experience of working with, they've got to know me on a personal level.
Sure. Auction houses, it's all the same. If you're not giving enough stock to the auction houses are not prioritising you. I'm sure someone like James will tell you as well, but the reality is, if you want the auction houses to work alongside you, work with you, there needs to be a relationship there. So how many properties are you giving them? And then sometimes the auction houses will share that back and actually give you the stock back as well. So this whole game is a relationship game, 100%.
So I guess my question, would you laser focus on 2 or 3 towns?
I think your problem is you're looking in areas which are basically concentrated with owner-occupiers and big traders, basically. So you're looking at the higher end of the market effectively because of the nature of the areas that you're looking for. If it was me personally, what I would focus on is going to cheaper areas. And when you're developing relationships, don't go for the corporates, go for the small mum and dad type agencies. Just really try and focus on the ones that are keen to get deals done.
Just focus on one town, city, whatever it is that you know you've got potentially a relationship with or it's close enough to you. Just start,
So you would start with, like, rather than the county level, you would
start with like
cities.
Preston, for example, or whatever, right? Speak to a lot of the agents, it's quite a popular area, etc., and then just start branching out, basically going to other areas.
I'm doing a lot of the things that property developers do, i.e. I'm going in there, I'm renovating houses, but I don't have any social media because I was just kind of dead against it.
Spending a lot of money leaving thing, we put it through to Google Ads, it just increased our ad spending, which is doing a lot better through there. But we started it off with LinkedIn to market as well.
So I think
you need to do, whenever you do marketing anyway, you've got to have a layered campaign. Okay, because you have touches of people in different ways.
yeah, there's nothing really stopping everyone. You know, we've kind of done the mastermind to try and solve a lot of the challenges where possible. So collaborating is everything. So let's just get talking, even on the WhatsApp groups. And then we've got the next call, which is next Wednesday. So hopefully you guys will be bringing some deals for the Wednesday call next week. Thanks a lot. Have a safe journey back as well. Okay, so that's the mastermind that's done. It's been a really, really good day. Everyone's basically just left now, but yeah, just wrapping everything up. I'm ready to get back, have some dinner, and just chill. Imran, James needs to get home, man. Come on, leave the guy alone. See you later, James. Take care. Right, guys, that is a wrap. I am absolutely knackered. I've been up since 6:30. We made it to Birmingham for the 9:30, 10 o'clock sharp start. It's now nearly 5 o'clock. We've got a 2-hour journey back. Look out for our next vlog. So our next vlog is going to be our supercar day, and we're going to have a F4 car, so single track car. Looking forward to showing you guys that. But for now, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys later.